Hi. I don't know how many of you play like Words with Friends. Like I play it like on my it's plugged in, but I play it like on my phone here. Let me just pull it up here. Yeah, like so, like I play like Words with Friends like on my phone. And so like, here, let me just try this. Like, so like when you go to play a game, open, and it makes that noise with the letters. I'm really good at like making those sound effects. So like I'm gonna teach you how to do like those sound effects. So first off, that noise that you just heard, you do it like this. So you gotta make sure like your lips are wet, like this. Make sure that they're nice and wet, and then you gotta go. Did you hear that? You probably can't hear it on the video because the camera's too far away. Here, let me get a little closer. Did you hear that? Wait. I don't think my lips are wet enough. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wet my lips. Okay, so now my lips are nice and wet. I just got some water from the sink. Did you hear that? Yeah. Okay, so that's that one, right? And then it makes that other noise. Let me get it here. Like when you put a letter. Excuse me. When you put a letter on the game. Anyways. And it makes that noise that goes just like that. It's just two fingers snapping. It's just like, it's like that. So let's recap. So they have that noise. Then you have the that noise, and there's another noise. Yeah, there's the one that goes. Bloop. 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 And there's that bloop, 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 the one that lets you know that like someone just played a move. Yeah. So anyways, so that's Words with Friends. I was gonna do show you some of my other sound effects that I'm really good at. Like water dropping. Did you hear that? That's water dropping. What else? Let's think here. Another one I'm really good at. Water dropping is really good. Oh. Then there's that, oh, no, I know. Helicopters. I'm really good at making that helicopter. So, anyways, feel free to send me a note if you really like my sound effects, and I'll keep coming up with new ones for you guys to listen to. So until next time, word.